the schools are closed. But ma'am, our education hasn't stopped here. We have adopted a new technique of education and learning teaching process. We have started our online teaching classes, and I'm very glad to say that no other school is doing the thing that DEM is doing. DMS has started the online teaching as well as offline teaching. Our teachers conduct the online period during the morning session and also send up the videos of same lectures on YouTube and share the links of the YouTube for the student, those who get distracted due to the network connections or they are living in the rural areas, they don't get proper connections, and so it is helpful for those students to continue with the education. All the syllabus are running smoothly with the regular timings and the timetable. For that, I would like to thank the school management, admin management, and principal ma'am for the arrangements. Special arrangements are made in the school as well as the home. Teachers are teaching from the home. Students are learning from the home. So it is the point to be noted that all the students and teachers are in the continuous touch with each other. So on the same basis, the two students from class 10 have asked us the question, sir, this year we are going to miss our teachers' day. Everywhere students from class 10 who run all the whole school and they teach to all the classes so that teachers get rest for at least one day. So students ask this year, sir, ma'am, what can we do this year? We are very sad. So principal ma'am suggested that we can conduct the online lectures just like the teachers are conducting every day. So that was a very brilliant idea from ma'am. So all the students got ready with their lectures. The students considered their role of the teachers, and today all the student teachers perform their lecture from the home. So I am telling you that today the teachers, actual teachers, were not teaching today. The student teachers perform the roles of the teacher. So I would like to take the few names of the students who played the role of the teachers from their home and taught the all today's lecture. So principal ma'am's role was played by Samruddhi Jagtap. Harkal ma'am's admin manager role was played by Riddhi Lahare. Bhaule sir's headmaster's role played by Nishant Kumar. Vaishali ma'am Prithvi Lahare. Usmani ma'am Tanisha Soni. Sanil ma'am Divyanshu Khatarkar. Tak sir Bhavi Chauhan. Ujwala ma'am Chaya Nawai. Deshpande ma'am Siddhi Pawar. Malpatak ma'am Anisha Ratti. Adik ma'am Achal Ladda. Akshay sir, myself, Om Patil, Jatai sir, Daksh Rathi, Power ma'am Sai Patil, and Sheikh sir, Afan Mewan. So all these students perform their role of the teaching and from their home. Okay, so the next point is, let us ask the students to share their experience and speech, deliver their speech today. So first of all, I would like to ask Samruddhi Jagtap, who also played the role of Priyanka ma'am as a principal and as an English teacher. So I would request Samruddhi, please on your mic and video and share your experience in short.
Sir, my voice is clear?
Yes, we can hear you. You can start.
Respected Shivani ma'am, Priyanka ma'am, Harkal ma'am, and all my dear teachers. I am Samruddhi Jagtap from Dhanukar English Medium School, Standard 10. Today I played the role of Priyanka ma'am and I was too much happy. So I will share experience. From nursery to 4th standard, I completed my education in Dr. B.G. Dere English Medium School from nursery to 4th standard. After that, 5th to 7th standard, I completed my education in Arihant Public School, and recently I am studying in Dhanukar English Medium School. The reason I am telling all these things is that no one can forget his or her nursery teacher, because teachers are individual part of life. Every school which I studied taught me a good experience. In that big handies of Dhanukar English Medium School, the things which I have learned in Dhanukar English Medium School that I will never forget in my life. I think Dhanukar English Medium School have taught me very nice experiences. All teachers in the school are very experienced and always helpful to all students. How to be polite person in life I learned from this school. In this school, the relation of teacher and students is not about only teacher and student, but of a friend too. This thing I like the most. If there is any big or small problem, we feel very frank to share with our teachers. All teachers in our school are very supportive and are always ready to help us all the time. If in case we don't understand any concept, they are ready to explain it once again. Now also during online lectures, all the teachers are helping us a lot in our studies. During these hard times also, they are supporting and daring us to utilize our time in the best way. Due to this COVID needs, and they are doing their work with their passion. When I am learning during online lecture, I am feeling that I am sitting in the classroom and teachers are teaching in front of me. So today I am very happy that I got chance to speak about my experience about this school, and I am delighted by the role of Priyanka ma'am, and I will try to implement all the good thoughts she is having in my real life. Thank you everyone for giving me chance to speak, and happy Teachers Day all of you.
We are all happy with your glad words. Next, I would like to request Riddhi Nitin Lahare from 10B, who also played the role of admin manager Halkar ma'am today. Riddhi, please on your mic and video to share your experience. And next, Apan Meman, be ready after this one. Riddhi, please. Please on your mic, Riddhi.
आदरणीय मुख्य प्रिय मित्र, Sir, I on.
Yes. We can hear you.
Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible. You can continue.
आदरणीय मुख्य अध्यापिका, वंदनीय गुरुजन आणि माझ्या प्रिय मित्रमैत्रिणी, आपण सर्वांना ठाऊक आहे की आज आपण इथे या ऑनलाईन लिंकवर शिक्षक दिन साजरे करण्यासाठी जमलो आहोत. तर मी रिद्धी नितीन लहारे आपणा सर्वांसमोर गुरुविषयी प्रेमाचे 2 शब्द बोलणार आहे. आपल्या भारतात 5 सप्टेंबर या दिवशी शिक्षक दिन साजरी केला जातो. भारताचे दुसरे राष्ट्रपती डॉक्टर सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्णन यांचा हा जन्मदिवस. डॉक्टर सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्णन हे एक शिक्षक होते. शिक्षकांप्रती असलेले त्यांचे प्रेम पाहून भारत सरकारने असे ठरवले की त्यांचा वाढदिवस म्हणजेच 5 सप्टेंबर ह्यालाच शिक्षक दिन असे घोषित करावे. या दिवशी विद्यार्थी आपल्या शिक्षकांबद्दलचे प्रेम व्यक्त करतात. जसे थोड्या वेळापूर्वी आम्ही सर्वांनी देखील आमच्यातील आमच्या शिक्षकांबद्दलचे प्रेम ऑनलाईन लेक्चर्सद्वारे
नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम है.
Okay, Riddhi, I think it's problem with your network. I will request Sujit sir. Riddhi, are you there? Okay, please continue.
Yes.
Okay, continue in short.
तर काही विद्यार्थी गुलाबाचे फूल देऊन, तर काही विद्यार्थी एखादी भेटवस्तू.
Right, Riddhi, I think you are struggling with the network issue. I will request to pause your mic and video for some time.
Sorry.
Till then, I will request Apan Meman to continue. We'll continue later. Apan?
Yes, sir.
Please on your mic and video and share your experience.
सुप्रभात, मैं अपन मेमन आप सभी को टीचर्स डे के ऊपर थोड़ी सी जानकारी देना चाहता हूँ. तो भारत में टीचर्स डे मनाने की शुरुआत वर्ष 1962 से हुई थी. भारत के पूर्व उपराष्ट्रपति डॉक्टर सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्णन ने कहा, देश के शिक्षक के क्षेत्र में बहुत बड़ा योगदान रहा है. उनका जन्म दिनांक 5 सितंबर को हुआ है. उनका उपराष्ट्रपति बनने का बाद कुछ छात्रों में ने कहा, मेरा जन्मदिन बनाने की जगह अगर इस दिन शिक्षक दिवस बनाया जाए तो मुझे गर्व होगा. तब से आज तक हर वर्ष हमारे देश में 5 सितंबर को शिक्षक दिवस बनाया जाता है. इस दिन हमें उन्हें याद करने के साथ ही उन शिक्षकों का सम्मान और धन्यवाद करते हैं. भारत में टीचर्स डे का अपना एक बहुत अलग ही महत्व है. यहाँ पर टीचर्स डे पर अपने गुरुओं का सम्मान करने का अपना एक अलग ही तरीका है. कुछ अपने गुरुओं के लिए उपहार लेते हैं, उनके उनके लिए स्पीच देते हैं, तो कुछ इस दिन गुरुओं के लिए खत लिखते हैं। ऐसे ही लोगों को लिए हम यह खास आर्टिकल कर लाए हैं। टीचर्स डे पर स्कूल, कॉलेज और कोचिंग संस्थानों में नृत्य, संगीत, भाषण आदि कई तरह के मनोरंजन कार्यक्रम भी किए जाते हैं। तो इस पोस्ट के माध्यम से आप टीचर्स डे स्पीच खत्म करता हूँ और सभी टीचर्स को मेरे तरफ से हैप्पी टीचर्स डे। धन्यवाद।
Thank you so much, Afan, for your kind words regarding the teachers. Thank you so much. Now I would like to request at last Chaya Nawae from 10th A to share her kind words. Chaya, please.
So today I have played the role of Ujjwala ma'am. Today I have taught the Marathi subject to 7th class students. It was a great experience of teaching. But on other hand, I was fearing a lot. I spent a lot of time in preparing myself as a Marathi teacher. I took some activities that my students will entertain and also enjoy. Really, teaching is very difficult. While teaching, I learned many things that are prepare while students teaching, make friends, be fearless as a student teacher, show the confidence. As I realized, I needed to be prepared as much as possible. When I found that while teaching was the perfect time to think outside the box and try different things. When I first started as a student teacher, I was unsure of myself. I was not sure what my cooperating teacher would think about me, and also the students who were in my meeting link. The most important role in the lives of students in their classroom is the teacher. However, teachers are the first role models of any student. As we know, a thought, mother gives birth, but teacher gives the worth. Mother is God. She gives blessing to the student to become a person in a future. But teacher shows the way to perform good things. And today the role of Ujjwala ma'am, which I have played, it was very amazing, and I'm very happy to be, and I'm thankful to the TMS to give a wonderful chance to be a teacher, and thank you. And once again, happy Teachers Day to my dear teacher.
Chaya. Teacher is the profession of all the professions. Teacher is the profession of all the professions. All the professions had to go under a teacher. So here we are. Next one. On behalf of class 10, all the teachers, I would like to request Vaishali ma'am to share her views and share some views for class 10 students. Vaishali ma'am, please on your mic and video.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Good morning, all. Respected Shivani madam, Priyanka madam, and Harkal madam. On this occasion of online Teachers Day celebration, I want to share my feelings in few words. Thanks for giving me this opportunity. First, I wish all my colleagues and my respected teachers a happy Teachers Day. It's my great pleasure I got the opportunity to serve as a teacher. Every year we celebrate Teachers Day on 5th September to mark the respect to our second president, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, who was an Indian scholar and dedicated his life towards the education. Teachers are the backbones of our society and they play a role in shaping and building students, their personalities, considering their all-round development. Thus, they make them as an ideal citizens of the country. Teaching is a noble profession which is always worshipped as a god in the society from the ancient times. So, teachers should be always inspiring in front of students. Teachers are the sources of knowledge and wisdom. So, they guide us to choose the right path in the life. As a student, I would like to extend my gratitude to my all loving teachers And as a teacher, I would like to dedicate my life to become a good teacher for making my students a great human beings. Thanks everyone, and again I wish a happy Teachers Day to everyone. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Vaishali ma'am, for your words regarding the teachers. Now, we all know that teachers. नेक्स्ट आय वुड लाईक टू आस्क भावले सर. भावले सरांना विनंती करतो की त्यांनी आपले वर्ड्स शेअर करावे विद्यार्थ्यांसोबत आणि सर्व टीचर्स सोबत. भावले सर, प्लीज ऑन युअर माइक अँड
येस सर. येस सर, माझा आवाज पोहोचतोय आपल्यापर्यंत?
येस सर, वी कॅन हिअर यू. कंटिन्यू.
हॅलो, गुड मॉर्निंग ऑल ऑफ यू. सन्माननीय शिवानी मॅडम, आदरणीय प्रियंका मॅडम, ऍडमिन मॅनेजर हरकल मॅडम, माझे सर्व शिक्षक बंधू भगिनी आणि आज ज्यांनी विद्यार्थी शिक्षकांचा रोल अनुभवलेला आहे असे माझे विद्यार्थी मित्र, या सर्वांना मी आजच्या शिक्षक दिनाच्या खूप खूप शुभेच्छा देतो. गुरुर ब्रह्मा गुरुर विष्णू गुरुर देव महेश्वरा गुरुर साक्षात परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. तर अशा पद्धतीने शिक्षकांबद्दल हा संस्कृत श्लोक आहे. डॉक्टर सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्णन हे थोर महान लेखक तत्वज्ञ म्हणून आपल्या भारताचे दुसरे राष्ट्रपती म्हणून त्यांनी कारभार बघितलेला आहे आणि त्यांचा जन्मदिवस 5 सप्टेंबर हा आपण त्यांचा सन्मान करण्यासाठी संपूर्ण भारतभर मोठ्या उत्साहाने साजरा करतो. आणि त्यांनी जे शिक्षण क्षेत्रामध्ये बहुमूल्य कार्य केलं, आपल्या देशात त्यांच्या कार्याची आठवण म्हणून 1962 पासून हा दिवस आपण शिक्षक दिन म्हणून साजरा करत आहे. कुंभार ज्याप्रमाणे मातीच्या गोळ्याला आकार देऊन सुंदर मडके घडवतो, त्याप्रमाणे शिक्षक बालमनाला योग्य आकार देऊन उत्तम परिपूर्ण सुसंस्कार. आई वडील आपले पहिले गुरु असतात व शिक्षक आपले दुसरे गुरु होय. समाजातील प्रत्येक व्यक्ती शास्त्रज्ञ, डॉक्टर, इंजिनियर, वकील, समाजसेवक आणि चांगलं कार्य करणारे राजकारणी, त्या सर्व देशाचे भविष्य असलेल्या व्यक्तींना यथोचित घडवण्याचे काम शिक्षक करत असतात. प्रत्येक विद्यार्थ्यातील कलागुणांना शोधून त्यांना वाव देण्याचे महान कार्य शिक्षकच करतात. विद्यार्थ्याने समाजात घट्ट पाय रोवून कसे उभे राहावे, आदर्श जीवन कसे जगावे, वेळ प्रसंगी समाजाच्या कसे उपयोगी पडावे, हे शिक्षक शिकवतात. शिक्षक विद्यार्थ्यांना फक्त पुस्तकी ज्ञान न देता बाहेरील जगाशी विद्यार्थ्यांचा संबंध जोडतात. आपल्या व्यक्तिमत्वावर त्यांच्याकडून संस्कार, संस्कृती, परंपरा, चालीरीती व आदर असे त्यांनी आपल्या गुरूंचा नेहमी आदर केला पाहिजे. विद्यार्थ्यांनी शिक्षकांनी दिलेले ज्ञान जीवनात अंगीकारून त्याप्रमाणे वागणे हाच आजच्या शिक्षक दिनी शिक्षकांचा खरा सन्मान ठरेल. आणि शेवटी शिक्षकांबद्दल मी एवढंच म्हणेल, शी म्हणजे शीलवान, क्ष म्हणजे क्षमाशील आणि क म्हणजे कर्तृत्ववान म्हणजे शिक्षक. तर अशा प्रमाणे या ठिकाणी सर्व विद्यार्थ्यांनी जो आज आमचा सन्मान केला त्याबद्दल सर्व विद्यार्थी शिक्षकांचे मी खूप खूप त्यांचं अभिनंदन करतो आणि पुन्हा एकदा सर्वांना शिक्षक दिनाच्या खूप खूप शुभेच्छा देतो. थँक्यू व्हेरी मच.
पावले सर, समाजात शिक्षकांचे किती महत्व असावे याबद्दल आपले सुंदर विचार मांडल्याबद्दल आपले धन्यवाद. नेक्स्ट, विदाउट whom this online teachers would not be possible, I would like to request Principal Ma'am to share her views. Principal Ma'am, please continue.
No, it's not like that. I congratulate all the teachers, students, Samruddhi, Daksh, Achal, Tanisha, Chaya, Om, and Riddhi. All of you played your roles very well. And I have seen that most of us turn towards teaching instinctively. You know, this is an instinct and this is a passion. So teaching is not a profession; it is an instinct. And when you have the knowledge, you feel like you have to share it with others. So I have seen most of you when you were taking the online periods, you prepared so well for your period. So I congratulate you for that first of all. Nervousness among you, although you were teaching online, you were at your home, but you used your blackboard so well. And I have seen that you already have those all skills in you. So I congratulate all of you children for that. And I congratulate the class teachers To our respected trustee madam, this is a pleasant day for me as madam has given her consent to come and join this online meeting. And I feel that all our children and teachers are very lucky that madam has consented over and came over here for this meet. I really am feeling great. And along with that, I want to congratulate the class teachers of 10th A and B, Sanil and Akshay sir, for arranging this program, and to all my dear children. Thank you very much, and have a very, very happy Teachers' Day to all my dear, dear teachers. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. You're always there to boost up the confidence of the student as well as we teachers as a teammates. Thank you so much, ma'am, for sharing your views. Now, at last but not the least, the person without whom this DMS would not be possible, and we as the teachers would not be there in the school, all as the student will not be there in the school. So I request Trustee ma'am, Mrs. Shivani Dhanukar ma'am, Executive Director of the Dhanukar Group of Industries. Please, ma'am, share your views and build up the confidence of our students. Please, ma'am.
Hello, everybody. Happy Teachers' Day. To be very honest, my respect for teachers is immense. They are the forebearers of our future. And all I'd like to say about the DMS, the children and the teachers, is that it's beautiful to see how you guys have grown, how you all have grown over the years, how you all have, built this institution. So all the very best and happy Teachers' Day, and congratulations to all the children who performed. You all did a wonderful job, and have a great day. Thank you.
Ma'am, we assure you that we will build up this school more and more efficiently. Thank you so much. In this way, we all are very glad to celebrate this online Teachers' Day. None of us had thought in 2020 we will celebrate this day in such a way, but it's another experience for us as well as the student. I hope all the students, you will never forget this day, that in 2020, whole life, we have celebrated this day in such a way in online. All right. Last but not the least, I will request Senil ma'am to please express the vote of thanks. Senil ma'am, please continue.
Yes, sir.
Ma'am, please mic on your mic
Yes.
and video.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
continue,
Yes, sir.
continue.
Good afternoon, all of you. Today, I'm so excited to do the responsibility which is given to me to present the vote of thanks. First of all, I would like to express my deep gratitude to Honorable Trustee Madam, who spent her valuable time with us to grace our small program. Thank you so much, Madam, from the bottom of my heart on behalf of DMS, principal, teachers, and students. Next, I would like to thank our respected Principal Madam, who is the inspiration behind us to organize this program. Thank you, Madam. Then I would like to express my thanks to Harkal Madam, Bahule Sir, Vaishali Madam, the students who have those who were delivering speech here, and all my colleagues, and of course my dear students also. Thank you all of you, and a happy Teachers' Day to all my colleagues. Thank you.
With all the respect and all the gratitude, I would like to end up this program with the principal ma'am's permission. Principal ma'am, with your permission, we are ending up this meeting. Thank you all of you. Happy Teachers' Day. Have a great day. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, ma'am.
Most welcome.
Bye, ma'am.
Sir.
Bye, ma'am.
So yes, sir, end of the meeting.
Yes, sir.